Welcome back, YouTube. I'm back with another lunchtime motivational. I'm here on my lunch break and I took time out to make this video. Today's topic, we're going to talk about what do you need to make money online or offline, and what do you need something to sell to make money. And to make money online, the only way to make money online, you have to put out content. You have to put out content. You have to put out videos, blog posts, paid advertisements, emails. You have to put out something for someone to read or to look at or to watch, and they'll click on your link. That's the only way to make money. And make money online is it's not hard, but it's very complex. And you need a lot of traffic to make money, but you need a lot of content as well. That's why these bloggers make a lot of money, because they put out a lot of content. That's why people make money on YouTube, because they put out content. You must put out content to make money. Same with offline business. If you have a t-shirt business or you cut grass, you must let people know you cutting grass. You must let people know you make t-shirts. You must make people know you bake cakes. You have to put out something so people can read it and they can email you back what they want. So, excuse me, that's the number one key. People want to start a business. What are you going to sell? What are you going to sell? What are you going to do? What are you going to sell? What's your business? What service you going to do? Are you going to do taxes? Are you going to cut people's grass? Are you going to change brakes? What are you going to sell? You got to create a product. You got to create content, something that people can use. So think about your business plan. Think about how you make money online. Think about if you want to start a business today. Okay, so right now, I'm making a YouTube video. That's content for people to watch and to learn something from. You do the same thing. You can make YouTube videos, put out content, and people watch your content, and you make money from it. Your blog posts, no different. Facebook posts, no different. You have to constantly do it. So you want to start any business you do, you have to put out something for people to look at, and to buy, or to use, or to learn from. That's it. So think about what business you could start. You want to cut grass. I keep saying cutting grass because the season's coming up. Or build something, or you want to, you could change oil, or you can bake a cake, or you could bake whatever. You need content. You're giving something away for exchange for money. That's it. So this is today's little rant today. Talking about content. Make sure you push out content. Make sure you create products. Create something. My next venture is probably take my blog, which is theexking.com, and that will be my brand. And I'm gonna try to make some shirts, some hats, some socks, put my logo on it, and that's my brand. I have to create something for people to buy. That's the only way business works. Any clothes you buy, cars you buy, food you buy, they have to take something, make it to something else for you to buy it. The cell phone, for example, they put metal together and they made a cell phone. So you have to put something together. What are you good at? What can you sell to people that people want? And just go out there and put out content. Get there and do it. You know what I'm saying? Live your life like you're about to be fired from your job. Like if you was fired, this is what I keep my mindset all the time. What if I was fired today? What if they came to my desk and they fired me? What if the company got sold tomorrow and they lay off everybody and bring their own people in? You need something to fall back on. So that's why you continue to push out content, create a business, create something you're good at, find something you can promote and make the money. So today's topic is all about content, pushing out content, have something of value to give to people. In exchange, they might buy from you or they trust you. So this is my little rant today, pushing out content. Subscribe to my channel. Go to my blog, theexking.com, my new blog. I'm planning to make this a multi-million-dollar blog one day in the future, but that's my goal. That's my goal. I'm going to keep working at it. I ain't going to stop. So thank you for watching.